Now, there's two ways to get to bulk deletes. You can go through the Power Platform Admin Center. So once you're in the Power Platform Admin Center, you can go to Manage button and open up the environment that you're looking to check and remove some data, and then go to Settings. So Environments, open your environment, and then go to Settings, and then go to Data Management. And under Data Management, you have a bulk deletion screen that will pop up here. And from here, you can create new bulk deletion jobs. However, recently I've noticed that you can now do bulk deletion jobs from within the Power Platform Environment Settings application within Dynamic, and you get a brand new user interface for that. So let's go into the Power Platform Environment Settings, and we're going to look for Data Management, and we're going to look for Bulk Record Deletion. So I found that, Data Management, Bulk Record Deletion. It's the same information that we see here. It's just this is the old user interface. And in the Power Platform Environment Settings, we have the new modern user interface. And it will show me the recent jobs that have run in my environment and how much data has been removed from them. Now, let's say I want to do a job to remove leads from my system that are disqualified and are over 6 months old. So at this point, they're probably not coming back to life. So let's walk through removing them. And we're going to set this up to be a recurring job that runs every 30 days and is going to send me an email every 30 days to let me know that the job has run. So to create a new bulk deletion job, we click on where it says plus new job, and we see this nice simple screen here with a search bar here to search for which table we want to delete against. So in this case, the table or entity that we want to remove the data from is our lead table. So we can search through here, or let's check. Looks like we can't manually type in. So we do have to scroll all the way through the list till we get to our table. So here we go. Somewhere here is going to be a lead. And then we could start either using a saved view. So for example, by default, I can use the all leads view, or I can use a custom view. So for example, a custom view I have called my recent leads, but we want to create a different view. So we're going to change this view. We're going to start with all leads, and then we're going to build our filter in. So we click plus add row, and we're going to say status equals disqualified. And we're just going to say add row where date created or created on is older than X months. And I just type in 6. And if I want to, at this point, I can add more criteria. I can add criteria from different tables, but we're just going to do a quick preview on this, see if everything looks right. So we have a whole mess of leads that we're going to be deleting. The only thing I wish is that when it gives you this preview, it would tell you the number of records in this view. That is one downfall of this way of doing it, but you don't get that deletion to say how many records are in this view. So